Let's look at number 7. Number 7 says the product of G and 4. Product means multiply. We're going to use the little dot. Look for the word and. That's where we're going to put the dot. So this says G times 4. Now, once again, in algebra, you're not going to see this written very often because when you're multiplying a variable and a number, more often you're going to see it written with the number and the variable stuck together with no multiplication sign, and the number will be in front of the variable. G times 4 and 4G mean the same thing, but you're more often going to see it this way in algebra. Let's look at number 8. Number 8 says the quotient of, again, that's division, and 2 times a number and 4. There's the word and. That's where I'm going to put the division sign. Now let's look at what that says. This doesn't just say 2 divided by 4. It says 2 times a number. Well, how would I write 2 times a number? 2 times a number is going to be 2x. Just like we did up here, it's going to be the number 2 stuck to the letter x with no multiplication sign. That means 2 times x divided by 4. Or, as we said before, more often you're going to see it written as a fraction. Okay, number 9 says write a variable expression for 4 times the sum of Q and P. Sum means the answer that you get when you add. Anytime that you're going to do something to a sum, if you're going to do something like add something to it, subtract something, multiply it, divide it, anytime it tells you to do something to a sum, always put the sum in parentheses. Always. You have to have the parentheses or it will be wrong. So this says I'm going to multiply 4 times what? A sum. So the sum has to be in parentheses. Now what does sum mean? Sum means addition. And I'm looking for the word and. It's right here. That's where the plus goes. So inside the parentheses, I'm going to have Q plus P. And on the outside, it says 4 times. I don't need the multiplication sign when I have a number times something in parentheses. The number touching the parentheses means multiply. So this is 4 times the sum of Q and P. Number 10 is going to be like number 9. It's going to require parentheses as well. It says write a variable expression for -2 times the quantity. Anytime you see that word, the quantity, that means this is being treated as a number by itself, that all of that goes together, it's stuck together. -2 times the quantity Q minus 3. Well, minus is this symbol right here. So inside parentheses, I have Q minus 3, and on the outside, -2. Now, we've worked together to do numbers 1 through 10. Hopefully, you filled out numbers 1 through 10, and now all you have to do is finish the rest of this worksheet, 11 through 20.